Hi, this is Basundhara Raghavan from Kidney Warriors Foundation. I'm happy to say that Kidney Warriors has started a vertical for research, and our first research is now completed and ready. The findings will be presented at the Indian Society of Nephrology conference on the 19th of December. Now, what is this research about and why did we do it? A few years back, 2 dialysis patients were grumbling, saying that their hearing has been affected due to an overdose of medication. While I tried to ignore it, when this got repeated in another forum, I decided that we need to investigate and see if patients do read their prescriptions properly, whether they understand, or there is a communication gap between the doctor and the patient. So we contacted Dr. Arvind Kanchi, who agreed to chair this research wing, and he was accompanied by Dr. Divya Bajpai from the KEM Hospital, Dr. Y. Anupama from the Shimoga Hospital, and Dr. Kanchi himself is from Sagar Hospital, Rainbow Hospital in Bangalore, and Dr. Radha Sundaram from the UK became the convener for this project. We got other doctors involved in the analysis, Dr. Ganesh, Dr. Manjunath, Dr. Valli, all of them contributed in making this research ready for the public understanding. The findings are very interesting, and so we need to wait till the 19th of December to hear more about it. But where do the patients come in this? We have a team with Merlin Paul as the research associate. She's post-transplant. Sachin Rao, who's on dialysis, a very keen observer of all details, is on dialysis, and he's a research assistant, along with Yangcheng Dolma, who is also involved in the questionnaire design. Sachin and Yangcheng were completely involved in the questionnaire design. They had a focus group meeting to fine-tune the questionnaire. There was a pilot conducted with these 3 young patients involved and discussing with the doctors. So it was a total interaction between the doctors, the nephrologists, and the patients. And this research is a product of joy. And we are very happy that this patient reported measures study will be out soon. And I hope all of you like to understand more about this. Thank you.